Hey everyone! Welcome back to Maddie's Creative Corner. It's so good to have you here. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Makartt Rainbow Polygel kit. It comes with a bunch of different colors and a lot of things inside. As you can see, dual forms which come in different shapes and even like nail forms. And this is an amazing kit for beginners. These are big tubes of polygel, as you can see, and this is just amazing for the price. So also included in the kit is a base coat as well as a top coat, which are necessary for doing polygel nails. You get a 120 to 40 washable file, a classic Makartt brush and picker tool. And now let's go ahead and take a look and see all the different colors that are included. First up, you have 201 red, which is such a pigmented, beautiful red color. It's absolutely stunning. Then we have 202 orange, which is so vibrant. Once again, I just love how pigmented these colors are, especially for polygels. Then we have 203 yellow, and this is a beautiful, vibrant neon yellow color. I love this one. This is going to be amazing for summer. Then we have 204 green. I like this color a lot because it's not neon, so you like see the difference. 205 blue. It is another very beautiful light shade of blue. This is beautiful. And of course, after that you have 206 indigo, which is a much darker shade of blue. So you can definitely use this together just like I did today. And lastly, 207 violet, which is a beautiful deep purple color. I really love these. These are all of the things that were included in the package. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started on creating some fun nail art. The very first thing that I'm going to be doing is applying a layer of base coat to all of my nails. This will make sure that the polygel will stay on my nails as long as possible. For today's video, I actually decided to use some of these extra long tips that I had gotten from Shein a while ago, and I applied those, and I went ahead with the first polygel, that lighter blue shade that I showed you that comes with the kit, and I used the brush that was included as well as some slip solution that I had at home, and I went ahead and I started covering the entire nail. These polygels are really interesting to work with. If you've ever worked with Makartt polygels, you know that they're very thick and they're not runny at all, which makes it really easy for beginners because you won't have to worry about it running out of place. Like, it's gonna stay exactly where you put it. So I love that. It's super beginner friendly. So yeah, after applying the polygel on the entire nail, I went ahead and I took these, I think they're called Mylar flakes, and I applied them on the top part of the nail. And then I moved on to the second one. I used that deeper indigo blue shade, and I started applying the color diagonally on the nail. I wanted to create kind of like a candy cane inspired look, but with different shades. And I also went ahead and I used this silver color that is also by Makartt. It's a polygel with like holo glitter inside. I don't remember the name right now, but I'm going to list it in the description so you can get it if you want. It's super pretty. And then you can see that I just continued adding layers one on top of the other when it came to the colors. This is a technique that you might have seen other people do with acrylic, which is certainly a lot more difficult to do, I believe, especially for beginners, because you have to wait for the acrylic to dry down and you have to file it for it to have the perfect shape. With polygel, you don't have to do that. I was curing in between each layer. I could position it perfectly, exactly where I wanted. I didn't have to file it or anything, but I did take my time when it came to putting the polygel exactly where I wanted it so that I could exactly avoid the filing. Of course, you can go ahead and file it if you want it to be as crisp as possible, but I was very satisfied with how this looked. For the middle finger, I wanted to make a very fun and easy marble look, and I wanted it to be a little different than what I usually do, so I just went ahead and I applied all of the colors together in different parts of the nail, and then I used my brush to pat it down in different spots so that I could like blend the colors together without actually having to mix them with any sort of tool. I thought it turned out really, really nice, and I just left like clear stripe in the middle so that it could make it a little different. And for the thumb, I went ahead and I used that lighter shade of blue Polygel again, and I covered the entire nail, and then I added those Mylar flakes that I got from Shein like I did on the pinky. I also decided to do my filing off camera because honestly, I'm pretty new to doing such long nails, so it takes me a while. I just like to listen to an audiobook or watch a show and file because I am not used to filing such long nails. And yeah, I just did this off camera to just save time. And then when I finished that, I went ahead and I cleaned my hands with some alcohol, and now you can see me applying a layer of base coat to all of them. So when it comes to the rhinestones and everything additional that I added for today's nail look, I thought that I didn't want to add a lot of things so that it wouldn't take away from all of the designs that we made with the Polygel. So you can see I just added this cute design on my pinky, and I thought that this looked really nice. I just wanted to go ahead and add a layer of glossy top coat on the rest of the nails to make sure that they look nice. And of course I topped everything off with some cuticle oil to nourish my cuticles. And here is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was so much fun playing with this kit. I really want to try the rest of the colors. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and a comment telling me what you thought, and subscribe for more videos. Every single week I try to post as regularly as I can. Also, I will have a lot more Makartt kits that I will be testing in the next few videos. Let me know if you would like to see something in particular, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!